Jamushi Travels is back again at Red Planet BGC, and this is how it looks like.
Sa room lang naman po natin.
Tadaan! So finally, nakailang stay na tayo sa Red Planet at ngayon lang yata natin mapablog. So, very basic. Yan lang ang makikita nyo sa inyong pagpasok. Ay! Hindi ko pala kasi nalagay yung keycard. So, lagay lang natin. So, usually, isa lang yung binibigay nilang keycard dito. So, yun yung 3-in-1 shampoo and conditioner nila. And this is the work area. May mirror naman and twin bed yung nabigay sa akin. So, meron naman siyang saksakan sa ulunan talaga, no? So, meron naman dong available. And yung view natin, yung view ng McDonald's, tsaka yung simbahan, and condo. So, yun yung room natin, Red Planet. So, in case gusto nyo lang ng simple accommodation sa BGC, yan, Red Planet. So, that's it for the quick room tour. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, if you haven't, please use our promo code JAMUITSKLOOK when you book via Klook.